Welcome back to Buzzword Breakdown, where we make telecom's most complex terms simple and human. Today's topic is one you've probably heard in every 5G discussion, network slicing. And to explain what it really means, we've got Mala Redisama from Docomo Eurolabs, who's been involved in 3GPP standardization on slicing and service management.
Thanks for having me. Network slicing is one of the key features that truly differentiate 5G from previous generations, and it's shaping how operator will run network in the 6G era too.
So slicing sounds a bit like cutting a pizza. What exactly are we slicing here?
Yeah, that's a good analogy. So telecom network can be seen as a big, large pizza shared among many users and services, which we use, everyone, you and me as well. So with the network slicing, we can divide that big pizza into multiple slices, each with its own recipe and toppings. On a technical terms, its own resources, performance, and the configurations.
So each slice serves a different purpose.
Exactly. So one slice could be optimized for low latency, for instance, autonomous driving. Another could be focused on massive connectivity, like IoT sensors connectivity, or another might be prioritizing high throughput for the video streaming or AR VR services, etc.
Cool. Sounds powerful, but how can one network behave like many?
That's a good question. So that's where the virtualization and orchestration comes into play. So a 5G core network built on the service-based architecture and NFE, which allows logically separate between the slices while sharing the same physical infrastructure. Each slice has its own user plane and control plane functions and is managed dynamically through tools like a MANO or network orchestrators. Operator even can create or tear down slices on demand basis. For example, launching a temporary slice for a concert or a big event.
Okay. So the network becomes like a service factory?
Exactly. So programmable and flexible and tailored to what each customer or vertical needs.
And why should we care about this? Is this just a technical upgrade or something bigger?
It's both for the businesses. Slicings open up new revenue models. For instance, automotive companies could lease its own slices for the connectivity costs. Or for the society, it means that the network can support critical communication and entertainment simultaneously without interfering between the slices. It's a step towards, for instance, network as a service where connectivity is customized, not one size fits all.
And what about standardization? How is slicing defined globally?
Network slice has been a major topic since the beginning of the 5G, from the release 15. That's the first full 5G specification. Since then, SA2 has defined the core architecture for slicing, and SFN handles the management and orchestration aspects. Later releases, like release 18 and behind, have been refining how slices will be created, monitored, assured, especially from the cross-domain slices from that span or RAN core, or even the application functions like edge network, etc.
Okay. So it's becoming more end-to-end and more automated.
Exactly. So the goal is to make slice management from creation to termination as seamless as scalable as possible.
Okay. And from a business perspective?
For operator can differentiate services, meet SLA-based requirements, or even reduce the OPEX by isolating the faults and optimizing the resources per slice. It also enables multi-tenant scenarios where multiple enterprises share the same infrastructure but with guaranteed isolation and performance.
So network slicing turns a single network into a multi-business platform.
Exactly. That's why it's considered one of the most transformative ideas in 5G and beyond.
So to wrap up, network slicing lets one physical network act like many, each tuned for a different purpose. That means better efficiency, new business models, and smarter connectivity, right?
Yeah, well said.
Yes.
It's how the telecom evolved from connecting people to connecting industries.
Perfect. Thank you for coming. And yes, thanks for joining us. And don't forget to check out our other episodes where we unpack the technologies shaping the networks of tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.